Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and sorry for the late readings. This reading is for Taurus for the month of August 2020 in their love life. So I will quickly start with your reading. Before starting it, I would like to mention that it's a general reading, so it will not resonate with everyone. And this reading is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. And cross watchers can also view, but remember, energy can be vice versa, so take anything which resonates and fits into your scenario. Okay, so let's start with the reading of Taurus for the month of August 2020 in their love life. So I have shuffled the cards and have laid them out. On my right I have the cards of the person you're dealing with, and on my left I have your cards. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, Taurus, that in the recent past you guys are feeling some sort of dissatisfaction in your love life. Okay, the person you are dealing with, you are not feeling comfortable sharing your emotions with this person. You are not totally able to trust this person. You are not able to clearly understand the signals this person is giving you. Okay, maybe this person is not telling you clearly how he is feeling. He's not expressing himself or herself to you. Okay, and that's why you're not feeling that sort of satisfaction, contentment, that connection. You're not able to connect to this person to that level which you want. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing here in the recent past. Okay, maybe some of you have been dealing with such emotions, okay, in the last few days. But what I'm seeing here in the immediate future, I'm seeing here is that Two of Hearts with the Three of Clubs. So in the immediate future, in few coming days, what I'm feeling here, that there will be a real true love and passionate connection between the two of you. Okay, soon this person will do something which will clear all your doubts regarding this relationship, where it stands and how this person is feeling with you, and where this person wants to take this relationship with you. So I'm seeing here that in immediate future there will be a real union at soul to soul or heart to heart level. Okay, so, and with Three of Clubs, this is showing me that your patience, Taurus, your patience will now pay off, certainly. Okay, so, and there is certainty in this reading. So for many of you this will be a real certain reading. Okay, it will resonate with most of you, I hope. So in immediate future, I'm seeing here is you will feel like whatever you were feeling was not right, and you will start feeling in a different way toward this person, and all your doubts will be cleared in a single shot, and you will feel ultimately that your efforts were rewarded. Okay, so there is love, there will be union, there will be expression, there will be passionate conversation between the two of you, and you both will feel like your efforts in this relationship are rewarded from each other's loyalty and emotions and love and care which you will show to each other. Okay, so let's move on to how your person is feeling in this connection. What I'm seeing here is that your person has recently ended a relationship with someone else. Okay, in the recent past. So I'm seeing that this person has ended one and has started this new relationship with you. Okay, so maybe this is the reason that that this person is not able to give you the 100% at the same time. Okay, so I'm seeing here a cycle of recreation. So this person is with you, but the time he met you, or maybe he started a relationship with you, he was not completely out of the past connection. Okay, so maybe that was the reason he was not opening up, or she was not opening up. She was not completely able to trust, or maybe not able to show you the real them. Okay, but yes, this person, there is love. Okay, Six of Hearts, the card of Lovers. So I feel that there is love, but this person needed some time to completely get over his past connection, so that he can start a new relationship with you based on some strong foundation. Okay, so that is the reason that this person was not opening up with you, because he was not completely over his past connection. What I'm seeing here in the present situation of this person is that this person is currently in a King of Clubs position. Okay, so this person is currently focusing on his own self, in improving his own self. Maybe he has gone into some sort of isolation, so that he can work on himself a bit more. Okay, so this person is currently not interested in interacting with many other new people. Okay, maybe, and this person wants to just focus on himself or herself, and it's like this person is enjoying his own company. Okay, and maybe that is the reason that, because it's been few days that this person is out of one relationship. So maybe this person not immediately want to go into another relationship completely. Okay, so they are taking their own time, they're working on themselves, they're enjoying their own self. Like they have started some hobbies, learning new skills, improving their own skills, writing, reading. Okay, or maybe some other new things they have started in order to enjoy their own self. Okay, so this person is currently in a King of Clubs energy, and maybe some of them may be focusing on their career, on their profession, in order to improve their professional life. Okay, so all this sort of energy, coming out of a relationship and then focusing on themselves and their career and profession and their work. So this accumulated multiple factors may be causing you to feel that this person is not interested in you, but this is not this may not be the real reason. Okay, the reason is simple, that this person came out of one relationship, and after that he realized that maybe he realized that he did not pay, or she did not pay that attention to himself or herself which they should, and that's why they are giving themselves some time. Okay, but what I'm seeing here in the recent future of your person is that soon this person will transform into the King of Hearts. Okay, which you desire. So what I'm feeling here is, after this King of Clubs state is over, is saturated, this person will go into its natural King of Hearts position, where this person will open up his heart to you, will express his emotions to you. Okay, and will really make you feel that how much they care and love for you, okay, and how much they want this relationship to move forward and how much they need you, okay. So I don't think there is anything to worry, Taurus. This King of Hearts is with the Ace of Clubs, which is a very powerful energy. So this will come as a real surprise to you, okay. This will be really powerful emotions this person will shower you with, and it will be like 360-degree transition, okay. You won't believe that how this person changed from the King of Clubs to the King of Hearts. And it will come to you a real surprise, right? So this will be a real powerful emotional expression of love and care from this person towards you, Taurus, okay. So, and this will certainly bring the union which I told you, and you will feel like your patience paid you off, okay. So let's take some universal messages over this connection for Taurus for the month of August 2020, okay. Okay, so okay, so the messages here is the Hierophant, which is telling you that there can be something hidden, okay. So you need to be careful for that, or if you are hiding something from this person, then you should introspect yourself whether that thing is really need to be hidden or not, or that thing should come to the surface, okay. The next card I have is the card of Death, so which is again repeated in this reading. So this is clearly an indication that something is ending and something new is starting, okay. So this is a confirmation that the starting of your relationship with this person. And the next card I have is the King of Spades. So this person is now we have three cards here. The first is King of Clubs I showed you, then the King of Hearts, and the King of Spades. So King of Spades is the card of Emperor, a very wise person, experienced person. So I think this person has skill, Taurus. This person has knowledge, experience. This person has love, kindness, and this person is also wise because of his experiences, okay. So it's a whole package, I think, and this is gonna be a real relationship, and I hope you will enjoy a lot in this. And this, for most of you, this can go to the higher commitment, okay. For some it can be marriage. So I think that's a very beautiful reading and beautiful connection here, Taurus. I hope you enjoyed your reading for the month of August 2020, and we will see in the next month the next video for your sign. Till then, take care, God bless you, and thanks for watching. Leave your comments if it resonates with you. I wish you luck. Bye bye.